Now, just a quick one on reporting and metrics. So if we look here at kind of a detailed report on our 104, you'll be able to see, for example, how long it took to do the review. So for example, this here took 4 minutes, not long, but again, it gives you an idea of how long it's taken to review. You can also see down here in terms of metrics. If I zoom in here a bit for you, you can see here the inspection rate. So again, documentation inspection rate. So how many lines of code per hour, or how many documents are being inspected per hour, and also any of the defects that are found. So again, you should see this reduce in time as you become more and more familiar with the tool, but also improve the whole documentation process as well. And you can see down here as well that it's got all the comments, all the fixes, all the information in there, what material was reviewed. So it's really well documented in terms of the reporting, right? And as I said before, you can also print that out to PDF up at the top right, and also print it out maybe if any kind of format you want as well. So the reporting for us is, as I said in the beginning, in terms of standardization, is important. And again, you can see what documents are being reviewed, and also any customized fields. We can report on those customized fields as well. Because Collaborator, remember, has got a backend database. We provide an embedded database if you want, or you can work with your own database as well. And again, if you want to kind of show those customized fields, you can see them in here as well. And again, the reporting will show me in terms of sharing, in terms of links, SQL, printable and CSV file as well. So
I just have a couple of things in terms of the reporting. It's really where that comes into its own is in the heavily regulated industries, the medical care, the aerospace, the automotive, that type of thing, where you're audited. You have to show that reviews have taken place. The reporting here is really flexible.